Hey guys, welcome back to Fishing the SOQ. I'm Tyler, and today we're doing Stump Pass Fishing, or whatever else we catch. Episode 3. Please go watch the other 2 episodes. Put episode 2 up there. Caught a giant snook. It's really great. Today we got the whole film crew out today, and it should look epic. We'll see you after the intro. Fish number 1 today. A ladyfish. Look at this piece on that thing. Okay, so we just flew the drone. My brother tried to fly. He almost crashed in the water like 5 times. You almost crashed into me, bro. Anyways, hope that looks good for y'all. About to get fishing out here. Hopefully today it's as good as the last time. Stay tuned for some epic snow. Also, one more thing before we get fishing, I want to please encourage you to like and subscribe, comment, interact. We need more subscribers, please, please. I beg you, I beg you. Just kidding. Subscribe if you like our content, which I hope you do, because it will be offensive if you don't. Peer pressure, you see, it works. But anyways, I'm just kidding, guys. Y'all, hit the subscribe button, watch us, join our videos. We have a bunch of great videos out now. We have reel reviews. We got snook fishing. Got fishing in Sarasota. We got fishing in Inglewood. We got fishing in general. We got that kid right there, and also updates on fishing for features. We will have deep sea stuff coming soon, but I haven't had a chance. Also, exciting news, do a boat review on the Android 32 offshore. We can do that, and on the Evan E-Tex 300s. Spoiler alert, it's not going to be very good in favor of the Evan Roots. So if you hate Evan Roots, subscribe and stay tuned for that video. So one of the day, boys. Nice little trout. Trout? Woo. Well, we were struggling there for a minute, but it's a beautiful little sea trout. Oh, not that big, but beautiful sea trout. Oh, yeah, sharp tooth. Yep, trying to show you guys that really pronounced tooth right there. You see that? That is Marco sea trout. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back in and catch some more. There. Not so much, not so much, not so much. Just a little tap. You got hit. Just hit the second. Hey guys, we're kind of messed up here.
My bad.
This is an experienced fisherman right here. Yes, Ryan, get running start, running start, running start. Ready? Ready? Oh! You see me? That was very tangled.
I have a perfect opportunity.
You're good, you're good, you're good. Operation go, go, go. Ready, ready? Ryan, let me see this, let me see this, let me see this. Ryan, let me see this, let me see
I might catch a fish though.
And we're experienced fishermen.
Oh yes.
Yo, they're bopping. Watch this, Ryan, Ryan. Ryan.
Get the camera. Don't hit me. You must be in Tennessee because you're the only 10 I see. If COVID-19 doesn't take you out, can I?
Oh!